entire metal framework was erected in only 2.5 days, and the concrete panelling, some of which you see stacked on the right, was fitted in a further 5 days. 5 months after commencement, the building was available to the signalling contractor. The railway is closed several weekends to allow extensive modifications to be made to the permanent way. The layout of the London end of the station takes 3 weekends, as each Monday morning the up rush hour trains must run. The first weekend is fine and frosty, and work concentrates on the new connections on the Down North Kent line. The area civil engineer keeps an eye on things. The signal engineers' supervisors wait to start their work when the new layout is positioned. New electric point machines arrive even before the ballast. The second weekend starts wet and miserable, heavy rain falling throughout the night. This time, the up line and the down loop receive attention. The main purpose of these alterations is to provide reversible working on the middle line between Dartford Station and Dartford Junction, and to allow for a 4th platform at the station. As the slips are repositioned, the rain eases. The day continued to improve, and the wintry sun breaks through. Altogether, 12 new point machines are fitted to the new layout at the London end. After the 3rd weekend, the job is complete. The new rusty crossover cannot be used until the new signalling is introduced. Dartford Junction is completely rebuilt in 43 hours. 3 works trains, each with a crane, take over at 10 a.m. one Saturday. They lift the straight track and lay in pre-assembled point turnouts. The completed layout which allows maximum flexibility of operation between both arms of the junction and the central reversible line, is seen here, ready for the new signalling. At the country end of the station, the layout is simplified and the down carriage siding extended to take a 10-car train. Insulated fish plates are installed for the final track circuitry. During all the alterations, new point machines are fitted, temporarily controlled from the old signal box where necessary. The complete layout, seen here, allows for the fourth platform. The most expensive individual part of any signalling scheme is the provision of cables. Most of the cable on the scheme is laid from special trains. Each wagon is fitted with fixed jacks to take 2 cable drums. Careful preparation is required to ensure that cables are readily identifiable and mounted the correct way round for the running direction of the train. Where possible, all cables along a stretch of line are laid together. On average, this is 4 cables, a 2-core power supply cable, 2 signalling multi-core control cables, and a telecommunication cable. A remote control microcore cable is also laid where required. The average train carries 24 drums of cable, and 12,000 yards of cable over 2 route miles is laid in a possession of 5 hours. Cable trains usually require both running lines to be completely blocked, and this work has to be done at night. 51 cable trains were run. Hand pulling is the most efficient way of laying cable in areas where obstructions prevent satisfactory laying from trains. It can be done during normal working hours without affecting train running.